कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. With my body, my speech, my mind or my sense organs, through my intellect, my sense of self or my natural tendencies, whatever actions I perform, all of it is towards the Supreme Being. By saying Narayanaya, I submit my offering. Om Namo Narayanaya. गत्वा सान्दीपनिमथ चतुष्षष्टिमात्रैरहोभिः सर्वज्ञस्त्वं सह मुसलिना सर्वविद्या गृहीत्वा पुत्रं नष्टं यमनिलयनादाहृतं दक्षिणार्थं दत्त्वा तस्मै निजपुरमगा नादयन् पाञ्चजन्यम्. And then, going to Seth Sandipani, within just 64 days, O Omniscient One, along with Balarama, receiving all systems of knowledge, bringing back his lost son from the abode of death as Guru Dakshina, offering him back, you return to your city, resounding your conch, the Panchajanya. Smritva smritva pashupasudrusha prema bhara pranunna karunyena tvamapi vivasha prahino ruddhavantam kinchamushmai paramasuhrade bhaktavaryaya tasam bhaktyudrekan sakala bhuvane durlabhan darshayishyan. Remembering again and again the intense love of those beautiful-eyed cowherd women, overcome with compassion, you sent forth that Uddhava to them. Also to that dearest friend and greatest devotee, displaying their frenzy of devotion, which is hard to obtain in all worlds. Tvanmahatmya prathimaphi shunam gokulam prapya sayam tvadvartabhirbahu saramayam asanandam yashodam pratar drushtva manimayarathan shankitah pankajakshya shrutva praptam bhavadanucharam tyakta karya samiyuhu. He, reaching Gokula, the place that marks the extent of your glory, in the evening delighted Nanda and Yashoda with the news of you. In the morning, the lotus-eyed maidens, seeing the bejeweled chariot, suspicious, hearing of the arrival of your follower, leaving all their chores, gathered there. Drushtva chainantvadupamalasadveshabhushabhiramam smritva smritva tava vilasitan yuchakaistani tani ruddhalapah kathamapi punargadgadam vachamucho saujanyadin nijaparabhidam apyalam vismarantyah. Seeing him who was clad and ornamented like you, remembering again and again all of your playful activities, choking for words, somehow mustered a few words and spoke in faltering tones, forgetting all courtesies, the surrounding situation, and themselves. Shriman kim tvam pitrujana krute preshito nirdayena kvasau kanto nagara sudrasham ha hare natha payah Ashleshanam amritavapusho हन्त ते चुम्बनानाम् उन्मादानां कुहकवचसां विस्मरेत्कान्तकावान्. O sir, have you been sent here by that heartless one for his parents' sake? Where is that beloved of the city beauties? O Lord Hari only may save us. Alas, the embraces of that one of a nectarine form, his kisses and his madnesses and sly words, who among us can forget those? Rasakreeda lulita lalitam विश्लथत्केशपाशं मन्दोद्भिन्नश्रमजलकणं लोभनीयं त्वदङ्गम्. कारुण्याब्धे सकृदपि समालिङ्गितुं दर्शयेति प्रेमोन्मादाद्भुवनमदन त्वत्प्रियास्त्वां विलेपुः. The tidy bunch of hair that gets disheveled and untied by the frenzy of rasa, your enchanting body with gentle droplets of sweat from that exertion, O ocean of compassion, at least once show us that once again for embrace. Thus, under the pangs of love, O one who enchants the world, your lovers cried for you. एवं प्रायैर्विवशवचनैराकुला गोपिकास्ता त्वत्सन्देशैः प्रकृतिमनयत् सोऽथ विज्ञानगर्भैः. भूयस्ताभिर्मुदितमतिभिस्त्वन्मयीभिर्वधूभिः तत्तद्वार्ता सरसमनयत् कानिचिद्वासराणि. With these kinds of words of despair, as those gopikas were overwhelmed, with your messages of deep wisdom, he got them back to normalcy. Then, once again, with those delighted maidens who were immersed in you, he spent a few more days relishing the conversations of your stories. त्वत्प्रोद्गानैः सहितमनिशं सर्वतो गेहकृत्यं त्वद्वार्तैव प्रसरति मिथ सैव चोत्स्वापलापाः. चेष्टाः प्रायस्त्वदनुकृतयस्त्वन्मयं सर्वमेवं दृष्ट्वा तत्र व्यमुहदधिकम् विस्मयादुद्धवोऽयम्. All household chores everywhere, all the time, happening with the songs of you, talks about you happening even as they slept and dreamed, even their activities imitating yours. Thus, everything here permeated by you. Looking at it, that Uddhava was extremely wonderstruck. राधाया मे प्रियतममिदं मत्प्रियैवं ब्रवीति त्वं किं मौनं कलयसि सखे मानिनी मत्प्रियेव. इत्याद्येव प्रवदति सखे त्वत्प्रियो निर्जने माम् इत्थं वादैररमयदयम् त्वत्प्रियामुत्पलाक्षीम्. This is dearest to my Radha. She is my dearest. Thus he speaks. O friend, why are you silent like my dear Radha? With these kinds of words, Krishna talks about you when we are alone, my dear. With these words, Uddhava gladdened the lotus-eyed Radha, your beloved. एष्यामि द्रागनुपगमनं केवलं कार्यभारात् विश्लेषेऽपि स्मरणदृढता सम्भवान् मास्तु खेदः. ब्रह्मानन्दे मिलति न चिरात् सङ्गमो वा वियोगः तुल्यो वस्यादिति तव गिरा सोकरोन्निर्व्यथास्ताः. I shall return quickly. I am not there yet, only due to work pressures. Even in separation, may there be no sorrow by the intensity of remembrance. Ultimate bliss shall be obtained real soon. Union or separation must be the same for us. Thus, with these words of yours, he made them free of their sorrows. Evam bhaktih sakala bhuvane nekshita na shruta va kim shastraughay kimiha tapasa gopikabhyo namostu ityanandakulamupagatam gokuladudhavantam drishtva hrushto gurupurapate pahi mamamayogat. This kind of devotion has neither been seen nor heard about in all the worlds. What with all the groups of shastras and penances, I bowed down to those gopikas. Thus, as Uddhava was immersed in joy, returning from Gokula, looking at him, pleased, O Lord of the city of wind, protect me from the groups of ailments.